Good afternoon, Jai Hind all of you. Today I am here to discuss with you the concept of Heron's formula. I hope you must have seen the previous video which was telling that how you could verify the Heron's formula. A great mathematician which he has calculated with the help of sides how you can find the area of that particular triangle. Although you already know that area of right angle triangle is given as half base into height, and in the video which was posted earlier, there it was told that area could also be found when the sides are given, and if the sides are given as A, B and C, then area is given as under root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where S is the semi-perimeter. It means sum of all the sides divided by 2. This was the Heron's formula, and on the basis of this formula we will solve the exercise which is based on Heron's formula only. So whether the triangle is isosceles or equilateral or scalene or any triangle is there, you can use this formula, particular formula, to get the area of all types of triangle. So with the help of this, now we'll try to solve the exercise. In your exercise 12.1, I'll try to solve question number 1, 2 and 5, and question number 2, 4 and 6, 1, 2 and 5, then 2, 4 and 6, 3, 4 and 6 will be homework. So your classwork will be 1, 2, 5, and your homework is 3, 4, 6. So I'm trying to solve these questions so that you also get to know that how this formula are being used. So your first question is, a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. You have to find the area of signal board using Heron's formula. As it is equilateral triangle, so sides of equilateral triangle will be A and A, because as you know in equilateral triangle all sides are equal. So first, for using the formula we should require the semi-perimeter, that is A plus A by 2, that becomes 3A by 2. And as you know, the formula for area is given as S times S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So now the value of S we have already calculated as 3A by 2, then 3A by 2 minus A, 3A by 2 minus A, 3A by 2 minus A. As its all sides are A, we will subtract that A only 3 times, or you may write it in the form of whole cube also, but then also you need to subtract by taking the LCM. So it's better for you to write it in the form of bracket so that you can take the LCM further on. So this is 3A by 2. Now when you take the LCM, 3A minus 2A, that becomes A by 2, A by 2, A by 2. You will get A by 2 in all. When you see for denominator, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 16, and the square root of 16 is 4, so 4 came outside, and A is also there, A to the power 4. So value of A to the power 4, when you take the square root of A to the power 4, that becomes A square, and that is root 3. So that becomes A square by 4 root 3 is the area for equilateral triangle. Now on the basis of that, it is asked to find the area if the side is given as 90 centimeter. So on the basis of that, it is asked side, if the perimeter of equilateral triangle is 180, then you need to find the area. So perimeter is given as 180 centimeter. So first we'll find it out the side of it, as area of perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 into side. A was the side, that becomes 3A equals to 180, A equals to 180 by 3, that equals to 60. So side is 60. Now we can use this formula particular which we have find for A to use the area of equilateral triangle. So I am rubbing this upper part. So area will be now a square by 4 root 3. So this become 60 into 60 by 4 root 3, 415 time. That becomes 900 root 3 centimeters square. So when the side is known as 60 centimeter, then you can use this particular formula which we have calculated for equilateral triangle, that is a square by 4 root 3. So a came out as 60. We'll replace the value of a with 60. You can get the value of area of that equilateral triangle as 900 root 3 centimeters square. So this is the first question where we have applied the Heron's formula. Same way we will continue for the next. So question number 2 says that a triangular side walls of a flyover is made for advertisement. The side of the walls are 122, 22 and 120. So here the sides are given as 122, 22 and 120. So here all the three different sides are given as 122, 22 and 120. You have to find the advertisement yield and earning of 5,000 per meter square per year. That's the cost of advertisement for 1 year is at the rate of per meter square. The rate is given as 5,000 per meter square. The company had one of it was for 3 months. You have to find how much rent you need to pay. So first of all, we'll need to calculate that how much area that triangular side walls are taking. For that, we'll first find it out the semi-perimeter, that is 122, 22 plus 120 divided by 2, that becomes 262 by 2, that is 264. 2 plus 2 4, 12 to 14, 10, 24, 26. Okay, then area becomes under root s, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So that is now 132, 132 minus 122, 132 minus 22 and 132 minus 120. We'll get that subtracted. So this becomes now 132 into 10 into 110 into 12. So either if you multiply all, then find the square root using division method, or you just break this given number into such number in pair, so that from that pair you can take it out one number outside. Keeping that in mind, 132 can be written as 12 into 11. 10 is as it is. 110 become 11 into 10 and 12 as it is. So this way we can group the given number in such pairs, so that you see that you are forming a one pair of 12, one pair of 11 and one pair of 10. So from those we can take it out one number. In this way you can get the area as 1320 meters square. So this is the area of triangular wall. Now the yearly expense for per meter square is 5,000. I need to expense for 3 months. So what will be the expense? So expense for 3 months will be expense for 3 months will be as per year is for 1 year it is 12, for 3 months that becomes 3 by 12 into 5,000 is the yearly expense and 1320 is the area. So this becomes 15,000 into 110 165. 16,50,000 is the 3 months expense of that triangular wall will be. So yearly expense is given there. We need to calculate for 3 months. So for 3 months that will be 3 by 12. The cost of 5,000 is for 1 year. So for 3 months you will get the cost for 3 months, then you multiply it by 5000, and per meter square area it was given, so we need the area for 1320. You need to find the expense, you will multiply by 1320, you will get the expense for 3 months. So this way you will solve the second question. I hope this must be clear. Now the same Heron's formula we are going to apply for the next, where the sides are given in the ratio and the perimeter is given, and then we need to find the area. The question says that the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12:17:25. So this is question number 5. Sides are 12:17:25, and perimeter is given as 540. So perimeter is 540. We'll take, let the sides be 12x, 17x and 25x. When you add them all, because the perimeter given there, 12x, 17x, 25x equals to 540. That becomes 54x, 540. Value of x, you got it as 10. So now the sides become 120 centimeter, 170 centimeter and 250 centimeter. Now first again we'll find it out the semi perimeter, and then we can go for the area. The semi perimeter is half of perimeter. Perimeter was 540, so half of it became 270, and now the area becomes 270 minus 120, 270 minus 170 and 270 minus 250. We'll subtract all the three sides one by one. So this becomes now 270 into 150 into 100 into 20. Now as I have split the numbers in the previous question, I'll try to do the same thing again. We'll try to break the number into such numbers so that we can take it out of one pair from that. So how you can break it for 270? 270 can be written as 27 into 10 also, but we'll try to break for such number where we can use it further. Suppose I break it as 27 tenza and 30 into 9 and 30 into 5. Yes, it could be. So it could be written as 30 into 9, and 150 could be 30 into 5. 100 could be 20 into 5 and 20 as it is. So that you can see that 20 comes in pair, 5 comes in pair, 30 comes in pair, and the square root of 9 is 3. So we'll take it out, 30 into 3 into 5 into 20. 25 is 100, 30 into 3 90. That becomes 9000 centimeter square. So this way you will get the area for that question number 5. So same concept we are going to apply for question number 3, 4 and 6 also. So try to solve those questions. If you face any problem, you can ask your subject teacher. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you and Jai Hind.